over here, Dad.
Are you full? Well, you need to eat your spaghetti.
I think she wants your spaghetti, Daddy.
First it was my ham. Then it was my cheese. Then it was my tuna casserole. Oh, and don't forget about the ice cream. You want some of this?
Yeah.
What's wrong with that?
What ice cream, Mama?
You want this?
What ice
You don't want
cream?
that.
I don't know.
We got some ice cream from the grocery store.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We eat somewhere now?
After you eat your spaghetti.
Oh, I'm gonna eat. Oh. Yes, I'm gonna eat.
What do you say, Lauren?
Wow, look at this, Mom. I cut it in half. Mom, for you.
Are you eating your food or playing with it? Yummy.
It's the same as that. Why won't you eat that?
What did you say, Lauren? Scatty.